Hello friends, I am Chetan Singhania. You are watching official YouTube channel of Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Today we are going to see what is virtualization, and in upcoming presentation we would like to see hypervisor also. Let us see what is virtualization. A virtualization is a technique which allows to share a single physical instance of an application or resources among multiple organizations or tenants, for example customers. It does so by assigning a logical names to a physical resources and providing a pointer to the physical resources on demand, which is nothing but a virtualization. Now let us understand virtualization concept and definition of hypervisor. Creating a virtual machine over existing operating system and hardware is referred as hardware virtualization. Virtual machines provide an environment that is logically separated from the underlying hardware. The machine on which the virtual machine is created is also known as host machine, and virtual machine is referred as a guest machine. This virtual machine is managed by a software or a firmware which is known as hypervisor. Let us see types of hypervisor. The hypervisor is a firmware or low-level program that acts as a virtual machine manager. There are two types of hypervisor, type 1 hypervisor and type 2 hypervisor. Now let us see what is type 1 hypervisor. Type 1 hypervisor does not have any host operating system because they are installed on a bare system. Then what is bare system? A bare metal environment is a computer system or a network in which virtual machine is installed directly on a hardware rather than within the host operating system. The term bare metal refers to the hard disk, the usual medium on which the computer's operating system is installed. Type 1 hypervisor executes on a bare system. Linux Secure, RTS hypervisor, Oracle VMs, Sun XVM servers, VirtualLogix, and so on. So this is a typical figure of type 1 hypervisor. As we can see in this figure, there is no host operating system. So as per our definition, it is directly installed on operating system. Now let us see what is type 2 hypervisor. Type 2 hypervisor is a software interface that emulates the device with which a system normally interacts. Containers, KVM, Microsoft Hypervisor V, VMware Fusions, and so on are the examples of type 2 hypervisor. So one of the major difference in between type 2 and type 1 is, in type 2 there is a host operating system, and type 1 there is a no host operating system. Now let us see there are types of hardware virtualization. There are three types of hardware virtualization: full virtualization, emulsion virtualization, and para virtualization. Let us see what is full virtualization. The underlying hardware is completely replicated, which is nothing but a full virtualization. Then guest software does not require any modification to run. So in this figure here there is a guest, so we need not require to modify our software. Also it includes type 1 hypervisor, and we already know what is type 1 hypervisor. It does not have any host operating system because they are installed on a bare machine. So that's why we can say that a guest software does not require any modification. Let's see what is emulsion virtualization. In emulsion, the virtual machine acts out the hardware and hence it is independent of it. In this, the guest operating system does not require a modification. Now here there is a bit confusion. For example, in immersion virtualization, here we are talking about a guest operating system does not require a modification, while in case of full virtualization, guest software does not require any modification to run. So students, while understanding virtualization, keep these both the things in your mind. Now let us see what is para-virtualization. In para-virtualization, the hardware is not replicated. So the guest software run their own isolated domain. This is called a para-virtualization. So as we can see in this figure, in para-virtualization, the guest software run their isolated environment, or we can say their isolated domains. So also we can understand in terms of hardware is not replicated. So this is nothing but a para-virtualization.